дура, что ли? Блядь! Эх, ёпа-мать!
נורא, אוקיי? והן מתות ונראות נורא.
Normalnie. Nie rozumiem, co ty na mnie rozmawia. Pa frajera, jak jeba. Pa jaki łeb, kurwa. No ja na lewy, a on kurwa wjechał przede mnie, nie?
Oh. ¡El diablo! ¡El diablo! Espérate, espérate, que aquí... Espérate, que le dieron un... ¡El de abajo!
Oh my god! Oh!
But then making a left onto...
Oh shit! Oh shit! Whoa! Well, you alright?
What is that? Is that a metal hand?
Looks like it. He's got both his hands.
15 minutes then. At one point you stop. Okay, so my go. You next. What line? I'm gonna go line 7. Line 7, who's there?
Ну-ка, посигналим, обгони, посигналим. Молодцы, молодцы. Базара нет.
test every person here who is of a Muslim background, and if they believe in Sharia, they should be deported. Sharia is incompatible with Western civilization. Modern Muslims who have given up Sharia, glad to have them as citizens. Perfectly happy to have them next door. We need to be fairly relentless about defining who our enemies are. Anybody who goes on a website favoring ISIS.
Stop and pull over and see if they can help.
She's not stopping, and it's on camera.
Just pull up behind her.
Do you want me to say this thing?
Yeah.
You alright? You okay?
She has no idea what's going on.
Are you okay?
We need to call 911 because she is a mess.
Oh, shit.